I had a very difficult childhood. I saw a lot of things that I shouldn't have. I watched my father struggle with drug addiction and alcohol for as long as I can remember, and then inevitably succumbing to it in this final bender of self-destruction into hospice and then death when I was like 22. But it was deeper than just a weakness to me. It seemed very deliberate, and it crushed me as I slowly discovered that my father, the person who I looked up to most, who showed me everything, chose the demons over a life with our family. And so seeing all this, I had a very dark outlook on life from a very young age. And I looked for ways to cope with neglect, abuse, the feeling of not being loved. And the one thing that I found that gave me the most escape was coming home after school, going straight up to my room, closing the door, blasting my Guns N' Roses Appetite for Destruction cassette tape, dressing up like a little rock star and using like a broomstick and a flashlight or whatever I could find to pretend to be a mic stand. And I would sing along and perform every song as if I was Axl Rose. Then I'd flip the tape over and do it all again. And I'd continue doing this with all the music I liked, putting on my own little private concerts in the solace of my bedroom. That was my escape. And I discovered that music really is the voice of our soul, because mine was burning with this desire to express all the art and beauty in life in defiance of the self-hatred and ugliness that was projected onto me growing up. So I could never ignore that little voice inside of me just pleading to fill the hole. And music is how I got through it. Music was how I was able to figure out what I was missing, what I needed. And so when I say music is life and music is love, it's like a battle cry for my soul. And it was my way of channeling the darkness instead of succumbing to it.